Footrest, what it really means. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the meaning of the phrase, footrest. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Before we understand the phrase as a whole, let's look at its individual words. 1. Foot, noun, refers to the lower extremity of the leg below the ankle, on which a person stands or walks. 2. Rest, noun. It means a support or base on which something rests or remains stationary. By understanding each word, we're halfway through grasping the meaning of the entire phrase. Now, when we combine these two words, foot and rest, we get a new noun phrase, footrest. A footrest is typically a piece of furniture or an accessory that allows a person to support or elevate their feet when they are seated. It could be a part of a recliner, under a desk, or even a standalone item. The purpose of a footrest is to provide comfort, especially during long periods of sitting, and it may also help improve posture and circulation for some people. For example, if you've been on a long flight, you might wish there was a footrest in front of your seat to put your feet up and relax. To further help you understand, here are a few sentences using the term. 1. I bought a footrest for my office chair. It's made my workdays much more comfortable. 2. This recliner comes with a built-in footrest, so you can really relax. 3. Having a footrest can help reduce the strain on your lower back when you sit for extended periods. Remember, context is essential. In these examples, the term refers to something that provides support and comfort for the feet. And that's it for today's lesson on footrest. We hope this video has shed light on what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. Always remember, English is full of such interesting terms and phrases. So, keep exploring and happy learning!